I don't remember what I bought. What you bought me.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lyndon here in London, where you have London High. That's a wheel that you go up on, and then you can see actually all of London. I think it takes about 35 minutes to go around. How long does this take? Normally take about 35 minutes, isn't it?
No, to go? No, it takes maybe 10, 15 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. So it takes about 10 minutes to go around. It's a bit busy, isn't it?